Hey, tonight we want to introduce you to a boat I'll bet many of you have never seen before. It's called the Vexus, and Jake, there's only a few of these in Utah.
Yeah, I believe there's only 3 registered in Utah right now. Yeah, they really went over the top and they catered to the fishermen. There's a lot of features in this boat. We have 2 12s mounted at the dash here. I went ahead and ran a iTroll on this boat, so as you've seen, as we're catching fish, I'll go ahead and motor down, and I'll hit resume. We're gonna go right back to the same speed we run before. We actually have 12-volt plug-ins for USB right down here, high-speed charging. I have Bennett trim tabs on this boat, so as I'm running, I can steer and I can reach up and actually adjust my trim tabs. Every compartment has striker latches, intensive live well here, and what this plexiglass plate does is makes it where the water comes all the way to the top, and now those fish aren't getting beat up in the live well.
One thing that really stood out to me, Jake, was this windshield. It is very well designed.
So a lot of your windshields, when they come together, they're gonna go like this. Well, this windshield actually overlaps, so we're not fighting that gap all the time. On top of that, it's just extremely sturdy. So on the passenger side here, we can store up to 5 8.5-foot trolling rods. So down the center, we can also fit 8.5-foot rods.
Yeah, what I really like about this boat too is the flooring here. I mean, you're not worried about getting blood or guts or anything on the floor. It sprays right off. It's a beautiful boat. Definitely check them out online.